If you watched the other video, show you guys how to take the door panel off the Crosstrek. And now we're going to go and show you how to remove this switch panel and replace it. After you pulled off the trim, let's do this so you can see it better. There's a couple of screws. Well, there's one here. It's a Phillips screwdriver. There's one back here. And you can see it if you push these guys down and apply pressure, it will want to come out. You flip it on this side. See, we pushed it out from the other side, and then all you gotta do is massage the rest of the clips from this side. Come on. So there's a little clip right here that slides in to hold it. So when you release everything, it's got to come out this way and slide forward. Don't try to pry on the back side because you'll break this guy. This guy slides in here and clips into place. So once you release this side, push up on this and then pull forward and then release this way so you don't break this. The same way going back in, down, and down that way. And that's how you remove a switch panel. And if you buy this whole thing or you want to replace the pack, it's right here. 4 little prongs here and here, and this just the black part will pop out. Okay.